Siya ngokuba bucayi isomiso esifundazweni Eastern Cape. Asiyaphela amanzi endaweni eyigudle ugu eCawa. Lesi simo sinomthelelo evakashini ethileka lapha ukuzochitha amaholide. Umasipala wendawo udinga imali ezigidi ezingama-9.8 zamarandi ukusombulula lenkinga.
Idama iCyril Haywood ikumyinge osezantsi we-6% kwaye neempompo zeli dama zikwazi ukufunxa amanzi. Isixeko sasemnyameni naso sinqongophele ngamanzi.
The Cyril Haywood Dam is at about 6% as we speak, which means technically we've reached day zero because there are areas in the townships that are not receiving water at all. It means then people are complaining, but we're cutting water to the townships, but that's not enough because Port Alfred is the biggest area in this municipality. That's how bad the situation is. But then we need a desalination plant that we will have to do. We've received money from COCTA, which is 20 million, which is far less than a water treatment plant, a package plant.
Abantu abahlalela okushini ngabona bachaphazeleka kakhulu imbalela. Uluntu lwalapha lufumana amanzi ngezilori.
Buhlungu kakhulu phela ngoba asikwazi ukupheka nxa yamanzi. Itholethi lonto siyanuka ilonto asikwazi ukuflasha.
iPort Alfred idolophu ethandwa kakhulu ngabakhenkethi kodwa lembalela yanciphisa inani labakhenkethi.
We've had people that have just packed up and left this town. There've been 9 guest houses on the East Bank who've not had water for 5 days, as a lot of other town people have, and all their guests have gone.
Umasipala ubeke imiqathango ngenjongo zokonga amanzi. Dingulerato Fekisi kwindaba ze-SABC eCawa.